Hello, all. My name is Brandy James, and I am going to be talking about the importance of diabetes and how we should all know, if we are at risk or not. Diabetes is not necessarily always have to be hereditary to be diagnosed. A quick story that I have in mind is I've been diabetic along with my husband since November of 2006. As diabetes does not run in my family, but it does in my husband's, and that we were both diagnosed on the same day. My husband was actually diagnosed due to almost being in a diabetic coma. Me, I was randomly picked as I went to the doctor to do my annual checkup. That's when I found out. So diabetes is weird. Diabetes runs differently. Diabetes affects people differently. As I encourage others to think that they may possibly be diabetic as well, to take the time to take the simple test to make sure that you are or are not, and if so, then can be controlled. Again, I thank you for listening, and remember, diabetes is a chronic condition that we must be able to control our glucose or our sugar in order not to damage the rest of our body. Remember, 1 in 10 people are diagnosed regularly. And also to remember that diet and exercise are the most important thing if you are diabetic, regardless of what type of diabetes you have. If you need any help or any other diabetes information, please go to www.diabetes.org. It has updated information on how to control your diet to the updated medication that has been released, plus all the questions to ask your healthcare professional. Again, my name is Brandy James, and I thank you for listening. Have a great day.